In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create clean and professional tables with custom borders here in Google Sheets. So when you're working on a data and you want to create a clean and professional looking table with some custom borders, here's how you can do it. So I have my example data right here. And to convert this into a table, all I have to do would be to select the entire data, like so. So I did that with a keyboard shortcut of Control or Command A to select that entire data. Right-click on it and select Convert to Table. There you have it. We have created a professional-looking table with those 2 clicks. So first, we select the data, then convert it into a table. Now, what if you wanted to add more borders within that table? Well, again, what you're going to do is to select the entire data. Once you have that selected, go to Borders here in the toolbar. Click on that, and here are the different type of borders that you can apply to your table. So you have all borders, inner borders, horizontal and vertical borders, and your outer borders. If you want to clear out the borders that you have applied, you can simply select Clear Borders right here. We also have your selected outer borders, which is your left, top, right, and bottom border. Now, if you just wanted to add some vertical borders to separate those columns within that table, all you have to do is to click on the vertical borders right here, and you've applied it to your data. Now, if you don't want it to apply to your headers, don't select your entire table. So I'm going to clear that. Then what I'm going to do is to manually select this part right here, not including my headers. Go back to borders and select vertical borders. Click on that, and there you have it. We don't have those same borders applied to our headers anymore. There you have it. And let's say we didn't want the vertical borders. Instead, we wanted the horizontal ones. So I'm going to clear that out again and select horizontal borders right here. There you go. If you wanted to use some dashes instead of a straight line, you can also select that with your border style. So if you click that, there you go. We have some of these dashes right here. If I click on it, there you have it. That is what it's going to look like. So it's not as harsh as a straight line, and it's easy on the eyes. And there you have it. That's how you can create clean and professional tables with your custom borders here in Google Sheets. By the way, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.